Hello, welcome to a new session related to the searching of the data from the publisher websites and downloading it into the local libraries of the EndNote. Most of the journals related to the life sciences or political sciences or medical sciences are indexed in the PubMed, but many of the journals related to the social sciences are not indexed in the PubMed and Science Direct. They are present on their publisher websites. Although these journals are indexed in the Scopus and Web of Knowledge, but scientists must have subscription to the Scopus and Web of Knowledge if he or she want to search the data from Web of Knowledge or the Scopus. So another way is to search the scientific articles or the book or the chapters or the review articles directly from the journal websites. And to do so, uh, I have selected three publishers, and we will look at how to search the data from their website. And the first one is the Willy publisher. Here you can see I'm opening the Willy journal. And there are many journals which are published by the Willy publisher, John Willy publishers. And here I'm looking at about the Willy journals. Almost Willy publishers or the John Willy publishers publish the journals related to every field. Those may be biological sciences, life sciences, social sciences, engineering sciences, and like that. And here is their database. And from here, we can search any data, any article. For example, I am interested related to the economics. And specifically, there are some books related to the economics. And one of the titles at the top is the economics and the finance of this of the future. So if I'm interested in this book, I can search from this book. For example, I have selected this book, and here you can see I can see the different chapters which are published in this book. For example, if I want to download the chapter number 3, then I have to click on this. A new window is opening, and then I am going to the tools, and from the tools, I am selecting the export citation. And from the export citation here, a new window is open. You can see I have the different formats or the choices to download the citation, and I am selecting the RIS or EndNote. Both will open into the EndNote. Both these files can be opened into the EndNote. Then I have selected it. Then I'm selecting the download. Here you can see new references added here. So in this way, you can search the book chapters, the books, and download their citations into the EndNote library. Now we will look at the journals. For example, I am interested in a journal related to the viruses. Here are the subject fields. If I am interested in, for example, in uh, art and applied sciences, applied arts, I can search the journals, and even I can, after the selection of the journals, I can, for example, art history and theory, I am selecting it. And here is the art history, that is a journal. And if I want to download the data from the art history, I have to select it. Here is a brief introduction about the journal, that it was published from the 20th century. If I'm searching, I am working on the art history, then I may find some of the articles interesting for me that may be related to my recent research. For example, I am reading volume number 5, 45 and the issue number 5. I'm clicking it. Then here I can find the article published in this volume. Then I'm clicking on the crafting friendship, and after crafting friendship, I can click on the tools, and after that, export citations, and then I want the RIS export, or even for the EndNote, I can use EndNote export. Then click on the download, and the citation is exported to our library. So this is one way. I can also directly search from here, even from the anywhere. And then I'm interested in avian influenza. There are different type of the citation that those may be books, book chapters, or the journals. Here, if if I'm interested in the journal, then I have to select the journal, then click on the specific journal. Then, for example, scientific report overview, the overview September to November 2017, and in this journal there may be some opinion about that. Then, for example, this scientific report I'm interested for. I'm interested if I want to download it, then I have to click on the download tools, export citation, and then I can select any one. EndNote.res. I have selected the EndNote, then download. So in this way, I can download in the journal article. In this way, I can download the journal article. Today, I will talk about the Oxford University Press and another Oxford publishers. For that, I'm searching the Oxford journals, and I'm selecting the first option, Oxford journal. Then first one is related to the art and humanities. We will select art and humanities because these art and humanities journals are not indexed into the permit. For example, I am selecting the first one that is related to open access journal. I am selecting on the journals. From the journals, and over 500 academic journals are published by the Oxford University Press or the Oxford publishers. And then I have the search option for the channel. For example, here I'm searching again avian influenza. Here you can see there are many articles related to the avian influenza, and these articles can be cited on the basis of the subject, arts and humanities, law, medicine, health, and like that. Then research articles, review articles, and many others. For example, I am interested in here infection with multiple avian influenza viruses in man without poultry, and especially suggesting an increased probability of emergent pandemic virus in general population. I am interested to study this article, then I am selecting it. After selection, I have to go to site, and from the site, I have to select the format. And here I am interested in ENV or IRS, both are okay for the EndNote. I am selecting the ENW EndNote download. Then I am selecting the download citation. Here you can see the citation is downloaded. And so in this way, you can search the data from the Oxford publishers and can be downloaded into your local library. And again, in your selection, you can search on the basis of this issue, journal, books, Oxford exams, or infectious disease. It depends on your choice and in field of study. And the third one which I want to give the example is the Oxford Cambridge University Press. And for that, I have searched the Cambridge University Press journals from the Google. And here you can see on the top is the journals publications Cambridge Core. That is from the Cambridge University Press and Assessment. I'm selecting it, and here is a new window. And in this new window, you can browse on the basis of subject, publication, open research services about the Cambridge Core and home publication journals. Here are the journals, books, textbooks, and many others. You on the basis of your criteria, you can select here that I'm interested related to the journal. And again, I'm interested to search the contents from the contents related to the avian influenza, avian influenza virus. Here you can see there are many articles which are published by the different journals, published by the Oxford University Press. And if I want to download the different, for example, if I'm interested in the first one, second one, third one, and third one, then I'm interested in influenza, there's a new challenge for the family poultry. I'm interested in all these articles, then I have to download it for that. I'm exporting I have selected the export citation option, and after the selection of the export citation option, a new window is pulled up, and that is here, and the article is selected in influenza and poultry, published by the World Poultry Science Channel. Here I'm selecting the RAS, and from here in file will be downloaded and will be automatically opened into the EndNote library. The file is directly opening open into the EndNote library because I have given the path to the downloading files that these must be opened immediately after the completion of the downloads. Here was a brief introduction that how we can search the data from the journal websites and can be downloaded uh, and can be imported to the EndNote libraries. And after downloading these materials, these data, uh, we can we can search for the full length articles in the as it was done previously for the Science Direct and PubMed index journal. Just for example, these two, three articles we have downloaded right now. I will select it, then I will find the full text. In this way, you can find the full text. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, please let me know. I will try to answer it in the comments. Thank you so much.